Number 1. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $34,500. Location, Eureka, Missouri. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a well-built fiberglass street rod that blends classic hot rod styling with modern comfort and drivability. Showing just 5,484 miles, it has clearly been cared for and thoughtfully assembled as a turnkey cruiser rather than a rough project. Power comes from a mild Chevrolet 350 V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, providing strong, reliable performance that's easy to enjoy on the street. The car is equipped with air conditioning, making it comfortable even in warm weather, along with power windows for added convenience. The chassis setup includes independent suspension and a Jaguar rear end, contributing to smooth ride quality and confident handling. Four-wheel disc brakes add modern stopping power, making this coupe safer and more enjoyable to drive. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a gray interior, the paint presents very nicely and complements the car's classic lines. The interior is in good condition, well finished and comfortable, while the exhaust note gives the car a great sound without being overbearing. Offered at $34,500, this 1934 Ford 3-Window represents a solid value for a nicely equipped, ready-to-drive street rod. Trades may be considered, if they make sense for the seller. Number 2. 1934 Ford Crown Victoria. Price, $650,000. Location, Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. This 1934 Ford Crown Victoria is an exceptionally rare and highly collectible pre-war classic, offered as a largely original example with documented provenance. Located in Guadalajara, Jalisco, this vehicle stands out for its originality, condition, and historical significance, making it a centerpiece for any serious collector or museum-quality collection. The car is powered by its original flathead V8 engine paired with a manual transmission, preserving the authentic driving experience that defined early Ford performance. The seller states the vehicle remains fully original, including factory accessories, interior materials, and trim. The brown leather interior has been carefully maintained, retaining its period-correct appearance and craftsmanship. With approximately 5,000 kilometers driven, this Crown Victoria shows minimal use and careful ownership. Finished in black, the exterior reflects the elegant design language of Ford's early luxury offerings. The car reportedly retains original paperwork, further enhancing its value and authenticity. Offered by a single owner, this example is described as fully functional and complete, a rare claim for a vehicle of this era, with its combination of originality, rarity, and historical importance. This 1934 Ford Crown Victoria represents a once-in-a-generation opportunity for collectors seeking an iconic and investment-grade classic automobile. Number 3. 1929 Ford Model A Phaeton. Price, $575,000 Mexican pesos. Location, Aguascalientes, AGS, Mexico. This 1929 Ford Model A Phaeton is a beautifully presented example of one of Ford's most iconic pre-war automobiles. The Phaeton body style, known for its open-top four-door touring design, captures the elegance and simplicity of late 1920s motoring and remains highly desirable among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Finished in a rich brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this Model A presents a cohesive, period-correct appearance, highlighting its timeless character. The vehicle has reportedly traveled 88,169 kilometers and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering the authentic driving experience that made the model famous worldwide. According to the seller, the car is in perfect running condition and functions as it should, making it suitable not only for display, but also for enjoyable weekend drives, vintage rallies, or classic car events. With only 2 owners noted, this Phaeton appears to have been well cared for over the years. As a true convertible classic, this 1929 Ford Model A Phaeton offers charm, historical significance, and open-air enjoyment. It represents an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a drivable, visually appealing pre-war Ford that embodies the spirit of early American automotive design. Number 4. The 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, priced at $37,000. This classic 1937 Chevy hot rod features a rebuilt 355 engine, with AFR aluminum heads and an Edelbrock intake manifold. Paired with polished Holley Sniper fuel injection, IT comes equipped with an aftermarket air conditioning system, featuring a vintage air compressor, an AFCO aluminum radiator, and electric fans for optimal cooling. The 700R4 overdrive transmission has less than 5,000 miles, ensuring smooth and reliable gear shifts. The front suspension utilizes a Mustang 2 setup, with rack and pinion steering and disc brakes, providing improved handling and driving comfort. American Racing Torque thrust wheels add a sporty yet timeless appearance. Inside, the interior is finished in custom leather, Philadelphia Eagles green, complete with antique-style gauges. Additional features include a Holley Sniper touchscreen, a large touchscreen stereo system with a backup camera, and elegant details such as a custom headliner and dome lights. Number 5. 1930 Ford Model A5 Window Coupe 383 SBC/automatic. Price, $26,500. Location, Butler, Pennsylvania. This 1930 Ford Model A5 Window Coupe is a well-built traditional hot rod that blends aggressive stance with real-world drivability. Finished in burgundy with a tan interior, it features a 4 inches chop and 4 inches channel, giving it a low, purposeful profile without sacrificing usability. The paint is presentable, and the interior is clean and partially finished. The remaining upholstery material is included to complete it to your taste. Power comes from a fresh 383 small block Chevy backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong, reliable performance. The car runs great and is daily driven, with the seller noting many miles put on it this year. Suspension and rolling stock include a chrome-drilled front axle, drum brakes on all 4 corners, a GM front setup, a 61 GM rear, and American Racing salt flat wheels, all of which complete the traditional look. Equipped with working gauges and turn signals, this Model A is a turnkey driver-style hot rod, not a trailer queen, but a dependable, well-sorted coupe built to be enjoyed on the road. Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe SBC 350/automatic. Price, $30,000, slightly negotiable. Location, Sussex, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a classic hot rod with timeless looks and strong street appeal. Finished in black with a red interior, it features a fresh paint job on a fiberglass body, giving it a clean, sharp presentation that turns heads wherever it goes. The iconic 3-window body style is one of the most desirable early Ford coupes, making this car especially attractive to collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevy 350 small block paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a proven and reliable drivetrain combination known for easy cruising and straightforward maintenance. With approximately 31,000 miles shown, the car runs and drives great and is fully paid off. This is not a project, it's a ready-to-enjoy street rod that offers classic 1930s styling with dependable modern performance. Whether used for cruises, shows, or casual weekend drives, this 1934 delivers strong visual presence, solid drivability, and enduring hot rod appeal at a price that reflects its condition and desirability. Number 7. 1934 Ford 5-Window Coupe, all steel, salt flat style. Price, $29,000. Location, Manahawkin, New Jersey 08050. This 1934 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a true all-steel hot rod with a traditional salt flats, inspired look and excellent drivability. Built on its original frame and featuring a genuine steel body, this coupe delivers the authenticity many buyers look for but rarely find. Finished in black inside and out, it has a clean, purposeful appearance that fits its vintage performance roots. Power comes from a Chevy 350 small block equipped with dual quad carburetors and a mild cam, offering strong street manners with classic hot rod sound and response. The engine is paired with a LaSalle manual transmission, a highly desirable setup among traditional hot rod enthusiasts for its strength and period-correct feel. With just 3,500 miles, this car is a turnkey driver. The interior is fully functional, even down to a working trunk light. It runs and drives well and needs nothing to enjoy immediately. The seller may consider trades but prefers to downsize, making this an excellent opportunity to own a properly built 34 Ford with real steel and real character. Number 8. 1939 Chevrolet Coupe SBC 350/TH350. Condition: project with title, price, $8,500 OBO, location, Charleston, West Virginia. This 1939 Chevrolet Coupe represents a strong project opportunity with valuable components and a clear title. Originally built as a show car, this coupe previously won multiple trophies before being involved in a front-end collision on the driver's side. As disclosed by the seller, the frame is buckled, with photos provided, and should be considered the primary repair factor for any prospective buyer. The car is powered by a 350 small block Chevy paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a dependable and widely supported drivetrain. It also features a 1978 Monte Carlo front suspension, a common and practical upgrade for improved ride quality and parts availability in street rod builds. Despite the damage, the car retains many hard-to-find and desirable parts, making it a solid candidate for a frame repair, chassis swap, or donor build. With its classic 39 Chevy Coupe body style, clear title, and strong mechanical components, this car offers real value for an experienced builder looking to save a vintage coupe or repurpose quality parts into another project. Number 9. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $75,500. This 1941 Willys Coupe is a well-maintained classic hot rod, featuring an outlaw fiberglass body mounted on a fully boxed frame. Power comes from a high-performance Smeating 540 BBC engine, complete with a tunnel ram 2x4 intake and dual 650 CFM carburetors, delivering an impressive 707 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain includes a TH400 transmission with a 3,800 stall converter, paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end using a 3.55 gear ratio, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Inside, the interior offers modern comforts such as power windows, leather seats, and an overhead stereo console. The engine is less than 3 years old and includes an unlimited mileage warranty. Overall, the car is in excellent condition, with all documentation included. Please note, the vintage air conditioning system is not functional. This vehicle is offered for sale only, no trades accepted. Number 10. The 1940 Ford Coupe, priced at $34,500. This classic car comes fully equipped for comfort and performance, offering a balanced blend of vintage style and modern convenience. T features power disc and drum brakes, power rack and pinion steering, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The front suspension uses an independent front suspension setup, or IFS, complete with a front sway bar, while the rear is supported by traditional leaf springs. Additional conveniences include remote entry, 2-speed windshield wipers, and a tilt steering column. For entertainment, a 12-disc CD player is included. Under the hood sits a tuned-port fuel-injected 350 engine, paired with a TH350 transmission and an 8-inch Ford rear axle, delivering dependable power. The body is constructed using P&J fiberglass, mounted on a sturdy aftermarket steel frame. Hot heat and cold air conditioning keep the cabin comfortable in all conditions. This vehicle is ready for sale. Make your offer now. Number 11. The 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe, priced at $34,500. The 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe is a classic automobile featuring distinctive Art Deco design, characterized by a long hood, a vertical grille, and elegantly sculpted fenders. It rides on GM's Series 50 chassis, and is powered by a 5.3-liter Cadillac V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This drivetrain delivers smooth and dependable performance, appropriate for a luxury-oriented classic of its era. Inside, the spacious and refined interior offers comfort and sophisticated instrumentation for the driver, reflecting LaSalle's upscale heritage. With limited production numbers and the LaSalle brand discontinued in 1940, this model is considered rare and highly collectible. This particular example is in excellent condition, showing only 16,522 miles, and is fully ready to drive and enjoy. Number 12. 1932 Ford D5 Window Coupe, all-steel dirt track tribute, price, $35000. Location, Paw Paw, West Virginia. This is a real Henry Ford steel 1932 D5 Window Coupe, built as a period-style dirt track tribute honoring Herb Scott. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car carries authentic race-inspired character rather than over-restored flash, making it especially appealing to traditional hot rod and early racing enthusiasts. Power comes from a flathead V8 paired with a manual transmission. The engine runs and the car has been driven, though the seller notes the block is believed to be cracked, an important consideration for buyers. Out back is a desirable quick-change rear end complemented by Willwood brakes, giving the car both vintage credibility and functional stopping power. With approximately 20,000 miles, very little rust, and a clean title, this coupe is far from a basket case. It's not perfect, but it's honest and original. Leave it as a raw tribute car, rebuild the flathead, or transform it into a street rod. The foundation is undeniably solid. Trades are limited to a nice 1957 or 1964 Ford Fairlane, reinforcing the car's collector-level positioning. Number 13. This 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe is priced at $800 and located in Lake Charles, Louisiana. For sale is a 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe, offered at just $800 and located in Lake Charles, Louisiana. This iconic American pony car has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior paired with a gray interior, it still presents well for its age, with body lines that remain straight and an interior that is in pretty good condition. Overall, the tires have good tread, the glass is clear and free of cracks, and much of the car's original character remains intact. This Mustang was originally powered by a gasoline engine, delivering an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway, and around 20 miles per gallon combined. However, please note that the car does not currently run and will need an engine, making it a strong candidate for a restoration project, a budget-friendly build, or a custom engine swap, whether you're a Mustang enthusiast, a mechanic looking for a straightforward project, or simply seeking an affordable entry into classic American muscle styling. This 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe offers a solid foundation with plenty of potential at a very attractive price.